Syrniki are one of the most beloved Ukrainian breakfasts. I personally love serving them with honey, peanut butter and fresh berries. To make syrniki, the first step is press the cottage cheese through a fine sieve. This helps create a much smoother and more delicate texture. It does take the most time, but I want to mention it's not absolutely necessary. You can also simply mash the cheese well with a fork until the lumps are smaller. That method might work better for you too. Next, add the egg yolks and sugar and mix everything really well. Then add vanilla extract or vanilla paste and mix again until fully combined. It's best to add the flour gradually in small portions while checking the texture. The dough should stay soft and elastic. It may still be slightly sticky, and that's totally normal. Now I transfer the mixture into a floured surface and divide into two parts. This makes it easy to work with. Roll the dough into a log shape and then cut it into even pieces. In the video I show the technique I use to shape syrniki so they look neat, even and beautifully. This recipe makes enough for several servings. Syrniki taste best when freshly cooked, so I usually keep 4 for right away and freeze the rest for later. To cook them, fry the syrniki on a preheated pan with a neutral oil over low heat, about level 3-4 out of 9. Cook them on both sides, covered with a lid, until golden brown and cook it through.